it's Lori from Recipe Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make my fruity curry chicken salad. I love this recipe because it's a great blend of chopped fruits, nuts, and crunchy vegetables. You can serve it on lettuce wraps or in a pita bread, and it's a great light lunch, or you can serve it at a tailgate party or a picnic. Really love this recipe. Okay, we're gonna get started by adding some roasted chicken to my bowl. You just need 2 cups of roasted chicken and 1 chopped golden delicious apple. That's gonna add a lot of nice crunch to this salad. Chopped celery, adding more crunch to the salad. And some chopped red grapes, adding some sweetness to the salad. And let's see, some chopped green onions, golden raisins, and some crushed pineapple. This is just canned crushed pineapple, and I've drained it, so I'm not adding anything soggy to the mix here. And lastly, we're gonna add some toasted pecans. The great thing about this recipe is if there's anything in here that you don't care for or you'd like to sub for something similar, it's perfectly okay to do that. So now that I've got everything in here, I'm gonna give it a little stir just to get everything combined, incorporated, so that when I add the curry dressing, it will be all mixed up and ready to go. So I'm gonna set that aside and make the curry dressing. To make the curry dressing, we just need 3 ingredients. We're gonna use 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. I like to use regular mayonnaise because I really like the flavor, but you can certainly use light mayonnaise if you'd wish. And a little bit of soy sauce, and of course curry powder. My family loves this recipe, even my son. I've been serving this since he was little, and I served it for the first time in lettuce wraps. Some kids are picky about that, but you've got to get them started early and get them exposed to eating things in a different way. All right, so that curry dressing is all mixed up and ready to add to the salad. The curry dressing is perfect with the crunchy vegetables and the sweet fruit. It is a perfect blend. All right, and just mix that all together. You'll find that the curry in this is not overwhelming. I didn't add a ton of curry, just enough to give it a good amount of flavor. It's not too mayonnaise-y. We've got to add some ground pepper here, just a few turns of ground pepper. So we've stirred all the dressing into the chicken salad, and now we're ready to fill the lettuce wraps. I like to use a spring scoop for scooping it in because it is so easy to pick up and release and very neat. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of my chicken salad, put it in my lettuce wrap, and there we go. I like to use butter lettuce. Butter lettuce is soft and it's pretty and it's always so fresh looking. You can use romaine lettuce wraps if you'd like, but my favorite is butter lettuce. And there we go. There's a nice platter of lettuce wraps with this crunchy curry chicken salad. It's perfect finger food, and it's healthy and it's delicious. Find this recipe and more on RecipeGirl.com.